If I were to describe myself, I would say artistic, creative, and bold. I can be who I want to be. My favorite makeup product is eyeliner by Marc Jacobs. This makeup look was inspired by the ocean. The blue, the shine, the sparkle. So we have all kinds of blues here. The shades of the ocean. I'm gonna start with this color. The highliners are so amazing. You can create any look you want. You can line, you can smudge, you can do whatever you want. So this shade is Top Secret. So Top Secret is gonna go right here. So I do wanna blend that beautiful color, and after that, I wanna go in with a more intense blue called Out of the Blue. I really want it to pop a lot more, so I'm gonna apply it like from here to here, this whole area. You do want a beautiful angular shape and blend immediately. I'm just gonna intensify the blue that's already there. Look how strong that color is. I love my shine, and I wanna put a beautiful shine right over here to highlight your eyes a little more. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna draw the outline. If it does go wrong, it's fine, because it's just a small area to erase. And now, the easy part, just fill it in. I do want to make it a little more expressive, so there's another line going through here. And now to end the process, I'm going to use our spray all over the face. There you go, that's my look. What do you guys think?